for some breakfast. Thank you. Let's see if we can surf.
Do you recall not long ago we would walk on the sidewalk, innocent? Remember, all we did was scared for each other, but the night was warm. We were bold and young. All around, the wind blows. We would only hold on to let go. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. We need someone to lean on. Blow a kiss, fire a gun. We need someone to lean on.
What are you looking at?
Softball, my favorite sport in the entire world.
Everything's been going really well this week, but now this straw won't work anymore. So that's a bit shit. Look at this. It just flips. So at least we got some good shots with the drone yesterday. They won't be able to get any more. Apparently there was dolphins here right now, but we missed them. Something crazy just happened. We tried to get this grill on, and it didn't work at first. And then the tank always was on, so the gas was going. And then after a while, I found the switch, and then poof, like a burst of flame. So I don't know if you can see it, but my eyelashes, like half of the one is gone, like my arm hair is gone, everything. So that was a good start.